As a specialist for gas technology, WEH has been developing dependable components for the construction of safe gas technology systems for well-known global gas manufacturers for more than 30 years. We have continuously expanded our product range over the years so that today we can offer you all the components you need for filling, mixing, and controlling gas systems. From emptying to filling, WEH has the right solution. This video shows you how those components work together in one system. With the WEH Quick Connector, gas cylinders are connected to the system simply and safely in a matter of seconds. Before filling, the cylinders must be completely vented to atmospheric pressure. WEH offers the TV17 shutoff valve for this purpose. It is opened to discharge the gas into the atmosphere, and then closed again once the gas has been discharged. The shutoff valves are available with both manual and pneumatic actuation. In order for the remaining gas to be removed from the cylinder, another TV17 valve is opened and the vacuum pump is activated. This ensures that the gas cylinders are completely vented. To protect the vacuum pump from damage due to overpressure, WEH offers the TVS20 and TVS21 vacuum overpressure protection modules. The filling process can now begin. The WEH TSF4 particle filter can be installed upstream of the shutoff valve to remove any dirt particles from the gas in the storage tank. This ensures reliable filtration of the gas. The gas enters the cylinders through the shutoff valves and connectors. The WEH Quick Connectors ensure a secure and pressure-tight connection during the filling process. To achieve a specific gas mixture, the various media can be filled into the cylinders one after the other via the TV17 valves. WEH also offers checked valves as accessories. These valves reliably prevent gas from going back into the tank. The filling process is ended by closing the shutoff valves. First, the cylinder valves are closed, and then the system is vented using the TV17 shutoff valve and brought to atmospheric pressure. The cylinders can then be closed off and removed by simply lifting the actuation ball on the quick connector. The TV17 valves for shutting off pressurized gases are available in the TV17 GO design for inert gases and are also available for some combustible gases on request. The TV17 GOS design is suitable for oxygen. The oxygen valves are marked with a label to differentiate them from the other valves. The long-term satisfaction and, above all, the safety of our customers is our top priority. That's why our commitment to excellent quality is firmly anchored in our company's processes, all the way from the product idea to the provision of services. Subjecting each product to the strictest quality and safety tests is our standard procedure. Safety and efficiency. These are the main benefits of WEH Components.